Respected Congress President Mallikarjuna Kharge, future hope of India, my dear brother Rahul Gandhi, Honorable Chief Ministers of various states, leaders of India bloc, eminent leaders of the Congress Party, cheerful brothers and sisters in the stadium. Vanakkam. I have come here to convey my wishes to my dear brother Rahul Gandhi. I stand here with the immense pride of starting of the Bharat Jodo Yatra from Kanyakumari. Your journey has reached Mumbai today. This will reach Delhi soon. India alliance will from the government. Wherever Rahul goes, it looks like a huge festival. Such is the welcome and love given by people to him. He faced many problems from BJP government during this journey. They cited so many silly reasons to deny him permission. Despite all, Rahul continued his work boldly. The mass gatherings for Rahul made BJP go sleepless. They removed him as MP, but the fought and won in the Supreme Court. He wrote again in Parliament. This is not a journey of one man called Rahul Gandhi, nor of Congress Party. This is for India. That's why this is Bharat Jodo Yatra. What India needs now is unity. The BJP that divides people will be thrown out soon. PM Modi did only two things in last 10 years. One is foreign trips. Another is fake propaganda. We must stop this now. This is our agenda. From the day we formed India Alliance, BJP stopped using the very term India. Such is their fear. That is why PM Modi stooped down to defend our alliance. He calls India alliance corrupt. But electoral bond scam proved BJP is corrupt. Who collected 8,000 crore rupees in the name of electoral bonds? It is a white-collar corruption of BJP. Can such PM talk about corruption? Modi accuses us to divert people from his failures and scams. We have entered politics to work for people, not for entertainment. Brother Rahul Gandhi has visited spread all over India to understand the heart of our India. It is a journey to restore India that is destroyed by BJP. Election dates have been announced. Now, our only goal is to defeat BJP. There is no bigger threat than the BJP to India. We all should dedicate ourselves to save India. The real victory of Rahul Gandhi's Bharat Naya Jodo Yatra lies in defeating BJP. The journey that started from Kanyakumari should end in capturing Delhi and forming truly federal, secular and inclusive government. I call you all to save India. My India arise. Vanakkam.